A very good morning, all my dear children. I hope you all are fine. Today, in our English class, we are going to discuss our reader lesson number 7, The Fearless Fighter, which is an amazing story about a brave, hardworking, confident, and determined girl, Janki, who overcame the challenges and difficulties of her life in spite of being a physically challenged girl. So let's see how she was able to achieve the aim or goal of her life. How the story starts. Janki, a physically challenged girl, as you can see in the picture, that she is able to walk with the help of crutches. What are crutches? The sticks with which a person whose legs or feet are not working, not working properly. So with the help of these sticks one can walk. These are called crutches. She has come to England to face the interview to participate in a grand international swimming contest which was organized by English Channel Swimming Association. And what is English Channel Swimming Association? This is a union which is organizing a number of swimming events which are happening or which are occurring in English Channel. And what is English Channel? English Channel is the sea between the two countries, England and France. The name of that sea is called English Channel. So now when she entered the room, all the members of the association were shocked to see her, and they were having a question in their mind that how a physically challenged girl like her will be able to participate in this event which needed lots of strength and courage. Then one of the members asked her, "Do you know the conditions which have to be fulfilled by the person who wants to swim in the English Channel?" Now what happened? How Janki responded for this? Janki answered confidently that the conditions are: one should be able to spend 10 hours continuously in the water, means one should be able to be in water for 10 hours, okay? And the second condition was one should be able to swim in the high sea for long hours without a break. What do you mean by high sea? High sea means where the sea water is very much strong and deep, and that is the place where one should be able to swim. Means one should be having a practice of swimming in high sea for a number of hours without a break. Now the other member asked her whether she will be able to fit to fulfill these conditions. Now Janki showed them her certificates of training which she did for 4 years and told them that she was able to swim 20 kilometer upstream every day for 3 weeks in the Arabian Sea. What does it mean? Means she had done this training, that she had trained herself to swim in Arabian Sea. And upstream means not towards the flow of the water, just towards the opposite direction of the water. She was able to swim for covering 20 kilometers every day, and for how many days? 21 days, for 3 weeks. And also she could swim for 10 hours continuously. So this was great. After knowing about this achievement, all the association members were impressed with her, and as a result allowed her to participate in the competition. Janki was very happy, although she wanted to take part in a solo attempt. Solo attempt means that she wanted to participate alone, not in a group, but she was given a chance to participate in a relay contest, means she had to participate as a member of a team. As she was not able to participate in a solo one, she had been given allowance to participate in a relay contest, because a special boat needed to accompany her for her safety was not available. So this was not the reason that she was not able to do it. The reason was because they were not having a special boat for her safety. So she was very happy to know this, and for the relay competition most of her team members were Americans and she was the only one who belonged India. Now the day came. What was the day? It was July 28, 1992. The day when Janki was able to achieve the ambition of her life, the dream come true for her. Now what happened on that day? What were her feelings? What were the challenges? But before getting this success, she had to go through a number of difficulties and troubles. On the day of contest, Janki was ready for her turn to come in a relay contest, but at the same time, many negative thoughts of her failure and limitations were coming to her mind. She was just thinking, what will happen if I couldn't swim? What will happen if I fail to swim? So she was just having these thoughts in her mind, but she controlled those thoughts and she put those thoughts aside and focused on her swim. While swimming also, she faced many challenges. And what were those? First of all, very cold and strong waves of the channel took most of her energy. Secondly, very salty water made her feel sick. And thirdly, seaweeds and jellyfish stuck to her body and made her uncomfortable. Do you know what are seaweeds? Seaweeds are the plants which are growing in the seawater, and jellyfish are the sticky animals which are living in the seawater. So she swam for 2.5 hours with her full strength and got success and made a history. Janki forgot all her challenges and struggles when she achieved the ambition of her life. Later, she told the secret of her success, and that was her determination or firm decision, hard work, courage, and self reliance. These were the qualities which made her successful in her life. So, through this whole story, through this story, we have understood that what are the secrets of one's life. And even if Janki, being a challenged girl, she physically challenged girl, she has achieved the aim of her life. Why can't we can also achieve. So this is a motivational story through which we get lots of inspiration. So that is the end of the story, and you read it once again and learn the spellings, find out the difficult words, and we will be writing the word meanings also in the notebooks. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.